Hi, this is Christina Morrison coming to you from the expo floor at the International Fastener Expo, and I am over at the Drill America booth with Andrew Barnett. Andrew, how's the show going so far?
Well, Christina, it's going well. I think this is our 4th year at IFE, so we're returning customers. And no, listen, we get to see distributors that we're familiar with, ones that we've met at IFE in years past, and then continue to grow those relationships, show them new products, like so, and meet some new ones. So for us, it's a real ability just to get to know us as a brand and as an organization and as the people they'd be working with if they were ready to do business.
Well, love it. We love to see that collaboration happening here on the show floor. So what are you showing off this year at Drill America?
Well, we bring a litany of tools. I overdo it. If you guys can see behind me, there's lots of cutting tools here. People know us as Drill America, which, about half our business is drill bits, but really cutting tools, things that are going to get through the hard materials. So that can be carbide tip hole cutters, it can be annular cutters, hole saws, the gamut. Today I just have something new to show. This is our GSC Gold Stepped Cobalt bit. So unlike a traditional bit that may have a 118 or 135 degree point, this has a stepped point that eliminates the need to make that pilot hole and allows you to make very precise holes with the GSC bit, and also has a 3 flat shank. So for those in the know, GSC Gold Stepped Cobalt, check it out, send me a message, we'll send you a sample.
Well, Andrew, what would you say is one of the differentiators for your company compared to maybe other companies?
Sure, I think there's a saying that, I guess, with a family business, the strong survive past the 3rd generation. My brother and I are now 4th generation, so our business has been in the family for over 100 years, and we're still very much family owned and operated. I go to work every day with my brother, my dad, and my uncles. One of my uncles runs the New York facility, and my uncle, my dad, my brother, and I all work in Miami. So I think that level of accountability, that level of personal touch, that level of just being able to speak to a primary and get real answers, and to make decisions quickly. It's not going to some board of directors that has to weigh it and send it to all their shareholders. It's like, we get in a room, if it makes sense for you and it makes sense for us, we're going to do it.
Love it. Love that continuity. Well, Andrew, maybe for those who were not able to make it out to the show this year, if they want to get a hold of you and the team, how can they do that?
Sure. DrillAmerica.net is the website, and I would just email sales@DrillAmerica.net. That kind of will get to the right people. And, I'm Andrew at DrillAmerica.net. Just give me a shout, and we'll say hello.
Well, thank you, Andrew. I'm going to let you get back to it. And thank you so much for watching. Again, stay tuned for more from the International Fastener Expo.